Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 8 of the subseries C# Reflection and getting the type information at runtime. In the last video we displayed the field information. Now we will retrieve the method name and display that in the output window. Alright, in the last video we displayed the field information. Now we will display the method names, and if you see here we will write a function called show methods, just like what we did previously. And here from type we have to call get methods. This will give us MethodInfo array, and if you see the code looks similar to what we did previously. Now we are iterating through the MethodInfo methods. Methods is a method array, so we are iterating through it. Then the property name of MethodInfo gives the method name. Then return type dot name, this will give the return type name. Then there are arguments also that we will see in the next video. Here if you see in the for each loop, first we wrote a function to show property, then we wrote a function to show fields. Now we are writing a function to show all the methods. And if you see method name, test method, return type, void. So here if you see return type dot name, there is no variable name for return type. So usually argument will have argument name and argument type, but returns there is no name because it returns a single value, so only type is necessary. So we here in this video we displayed the method name, then return type. So for example here add numbers, that's the method name, and return type is void. And what you have to know is MethodInfo get method on the type object, then accessing the individual property name, return type. Alright, now we will go to the demo. Parameter we will do it in the next video. Now we will go to the demo and display the method names. So here we just gave you an example method add numbers, and if you see our iteration displays that add numbers and void return type. Next video we have to display this parameter also. When we are displaying the parameter, we need to display parameter name x, parameter type integer, and if there are n number of parameter we need to list all. So that's why we are reserving it for the next video. Now we will go to the demo. Okay, this is where we left. Now we will make a call to show method function. So just like how we wrote previous methods, here we are writing show methods. Here I'm not typing the code because this way directly pasting the code will save a lot of time. Since we are already explaining the code in the PowerPoint slide, I am not typing it to avoid or to shorten the length of the video. Alright, so here we have show methods, and if you see all methods are simple. From type we are getting get fields, field info array, then we will iterate through it, and then each field we will display the property. Similarly for method, this time we are making call to get methods. it gives you method info array. We are iterating through the method info array, then we are displaying the method name, return type name, right? Now we will run this, and so when I ask for a member function, it lists plenty of member function, right? So if you see get property, set property is also a member. Even though it's a property, internally it's a function. So you are seeing those. Test method is here. That's the constructor. Return type. No, test method is a normal method. And here if you see, it returns void. That's what displayed here. Return type void. And test class is the constructor. Since we are asking for the method, it won't display test method. That's a constructor. So add number returns void. There are a lot of void, and toString that returns a string, equals that returns boolean, get hash code, get type. So all these stuffs are not here, right? How it is displaying? So it's displaying it from the base. So if I expand this test class, there are base type, right? Expand the base type, click on object, and if you see, protected and private will not get displayed, but other members will get displayed. Say for example, let's take get type. So get type is a public member, and it returns a type object. So we have our add number method also. So here show methods is there, right? Show methods, show field, show properties. If you see here, show fields, show methods, show property is not displayed because show property is defined as private. So if I keep it as public, then that method info also get displayed. Let's check that once. Show properties, this time it is displayed. And there are totally 14 methods. There are 3 fields and 2 properties. And there are some method which comes from the base. For example, get hash code. This comes from the base class. Equals method, it comes from the base type. All right. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.